This is my Subaru Impreza Turbo, model year 2000. It's known as a UK turbo. It's the same spec as the Impreza GT in the European market. It's the GC8 chassis and is in reasonable condition for the year. I've owned it for 9 years from when it went into the garage for restoration, which was in May 2018. I bought it from an old friend who is a massive Subaru fan. He did quite a bit of modification to it. This video is showing some of the lesser nice bits, but you can see from the engine bay that there's been quite a few things added to it, including a larger intercooler. There are quite a few rust spots on the vehicle, but on the whole it looks in very good nick for, at that point, an 18-year-old car. There is a dent on the boot lid, trunk lid for you guys in America, which should push out or fill quite nicely. So you can see there is quite a few dents on the passenger side of the vehicle. So we think that's a little bit of problems. This arch actually had some repair work done to it, but it's coming back. So it's going to need quite a lot of investigation work to find out what's wrong with it. Probably quite a lot of welding. You can see that rust is forming around the arch that was repaired. That's a bit of rust that's appeared on the roof, just near the rear windscreen. That needs some work doing as well. The bonnet needs a decent respray as well. There's a lot of stone chips on it. I don't think you can see it from these pictures too well. It's not in perfect nick, but it's in good mechanical order. The reason why I'm taking it off the road to restore it is because of some of the rust spots that are appearing on it. It won't get any better, but it does need fixing. It's got the 4-pot calipers that came with most Subaru Imprezas of that era, particularly the turbo models. You can see more rust spots appearing on the door shuts. You can see that rust forming around the rear spoiler as well, which needs attending to. Both rear arches are rusting, very common problem with these cars. It has got quite a fancy exhaust on the back of it, really loud, so that's why it's got that bung in. But the reason why I'm restoring it is an absolutely fabulous car to drive.